Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video tutorial of WebEpic channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to add brand information in the feed. And obviously, we'll be using CTX Feed, a WooCommerce product feed generator plugin. So without further ado, let's start the video. So right now, I'm at my WordPress website. And for the purpose of today's video, we'll be needing to add an external plugin over here. So you need to install this plugin named Perfect Brand for WooCommerce, and it's totally free, so you can easily install it. You need to install and activate this plugin Perfect Brand for WooCommerce. I'm already activated this plugin. Now let's go to my product list and see which product we are dealing with today. I'll be giving example by using these two products named Suit and Belt. And to add brand information in your feed, you need to go to the product and then go to over here brands. After going to the brands, you'll have to assign your brand name over here. As I said earlier, I'll be working with Suit and Belt. Let's add a brand name for my suit. Let's go with Raymond. And let's add another brand for my belt. Let's go with Gucci. So I'm all done here. Now I need to go to my product list and assign those two brands to these two products, suit and belt. So I'll be editing this suit and also belt. Go to the details of suit and you can add your brand information over here. You can see I just added two brands, Gucci and Raymond. It's showing under this label brands. So for my suit, I'll be adding the brand Raymond and I need to update my product. For belt, I'm gonna add the brand Gucci and update. So that's all I'll need to do to assign those brands with my product. Now I'll be going to CTX Feed and edit this test feed and show you how to configure the feed for adding brand information. I'll be going to feed config and you can see this Google attribute over here named manufacturer brand. You need to assign a product attribute for this particular attribute. So I'll be keeping the type to attribute and I'll need to assign my product attribute to brand PWB brand, and PWB is actually stands for Perfect Brand for WooCommerce. That's the plugin we previously installed for the purpose of this video. I'll need to map this manufacturer brand with brands PWB and I need to update and generate my feed and see what's going on in the XML file. So I'll be going to the XML file and if you search with the product ID of suit, which is 220, under this label of brand, you'll see the brand name Raymond is showing in the XML file. So my brand information, which had the name Raymond, is updated in the feed. And if you search with the product ID of 41, which is the product ID of belt, you can see under the label of brand, it's showing Gucci. That's the brand we have used for the product belt. Another thing you can do, you can add your brand in static mode. All you need to do is under this option type, you need to select pattern static value. You can add your static value for your brand. It will actually show the value of your static input all over the XML file. So the feed will generate same brand value for each and every product from your product list. For the purpose of the example, I'll be adding the famous brand Nike as my static value. And now if I update and generate my feed, go to my XML file, you will see under the label of brand, Nike is showing. It's showing in the product named ladies shoe. Nike is showing at the product named bottled perfume. It's showing showing at the product caps. Here is Nike all over this XML file. Under the label of brand, it's showing for all the product of my product list. That's how you can add brand information as static, which will show your manually input brand information throughout all the product of your product list. And that is how you can add brand information in your feed. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.